Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas in JavaScript. First, you need to add a Canvas element to your HTML document, giving it an ID for easy access. Then, in your JavaScript, retrieve a reference to this element. Crucially, obtain its rendering context, typically the two-dimensional context, which provides all the drawing methods. This setup is your foundation for creating dynamic graphics and interactive visuals on the web, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects. Once you have your canvas context, drawing basic shapes is straightforward. You can easily create rectangles using methods like fill-rect to draw a solid rectangle or stroke-rect for an outline. For more complex designs, you define custom paths by starting a new path, moving to a point, and drawing lines or arcs. Remember to close your path and then either fill it with color or stroke its outline to make your shape visible on the canvas. Adding color and style to your canvas drawings makes them visually appealing. You can set the fill style and stroke style properties to any valid CSS color value before drawing. Adjusting line width changes the thickness of your lines, and line cap can modify the ends of lines. Furthermore, you can draw text by setting font properties like font and text align, then using fill text or stroke text to display your messages directly onto the canvas surface. Beyond shapes and text, the canvas allows you to incorporate images into your designs. You can load an image and then use the draw image method to place it at specific coordinates or scale it. For animation, the key is to repeatedly clear the canvas and redraw your elements in new positions. Utilizing Request Animation Frame is the best practice for smooth animations, ensuring your visuals update efficiently and in sync with the browser's refresh rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.